How to make a simple calculator in Java. Do you want to know how to make a simple calculator that works? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. So let's get straight to it, and it's under a math. Super simple. So we have this large code right here. It's pretty medium. It's like 20 to 21 lines, but the process is pretty simple and I'm going to explain it to you. So here we define two integers. So first up, we have defined integer a and integer b. So, and the integer a is the character op for the operator. Then we use switch statement. So switch statement is very important. So we have used switch op right here. We use it depending on what it is, like plus or minus, addition, subtraction, or multiplication. It runs the matching block and prints the result. That's it, simple as that. If it doesn't match any, it prints invalid operator. This is great example to learn control flow with switch, and it's perfect project for beginners as well. So you can just simply copy up this code and modify it as you want, and you're good to go. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.